So many things are happening within the crypto world and you don't want to miss it because you are about to make money. And we jump first thing into the laptop over here. An update from Zora. They have acquired Mint Do Fun as well. There is an important NFT to go and mint, which is this one right here. So make sure to go and mint it. I will leave the link down below officially from Zora because of the acquisition of Mint Do Fun over here, which is very, very bullish for the airdrops and potential multiplier with this NFT. We go and collect it on the Arbitrum one if we want, or the Ethereum network, whichever one you want. We go and switch up to the Arbitrum and we mint it for 0.0007 ETH or $2.41. And definitely one of the most important airdrop over on Zora to have. As well as this one, there are a few important ones, which is the reveal over here, the beta version. This is another potential airdrop multiplier or airdrop criteria from the reveal account itself, as you see here, which is the leading peer-to-peer payment solution for the on-chain economy. They got an NFT that we need to go and mint. We go and mint the NFT because it is going to be super important for the airdrop, $2.47, and another one with huge collaboration, with huge possibilities for the future in terms of a beta version to then go into the alpha version of the project, which is revealed over here. And also we did cover today for the Zora X Debank snapshot, which has been taken from Debank. As we see over here, they have announcement, and this one could be a possible NFTs for a multiplier for Debank. If you haven't yet taken it, there's only 1,000, so very limited times, only remaining a couple of hundreds. If you haven't done it, make sure to go and pick it up as well. And the Sound of XYZ, which we did cover in today's video already, another collaboration. So 4 incredible collaboration over on Zora for this day over here on May 7th. We could have a lot of fun with these NFTs and a lot of points multiplier or airdrop for this actual NFT. And this one is the most important with the Zora X Debank and the reviewer. Next up, we did have over here, we got the mode season 2. As we do know, well, let's go and collect the mode season 1, which is what we are looking at right now. In case you haven't done it, this is how you do it. You will be able to find the links down below to go and get your mode season 1 airdrop. It costs nothing, close to nothing, 0 cents to go and claim it. And also we are gonna go and see now how you're able to sell, or in my opinion, which one is the best place to go and sell this airdrop, because you do want to make money as well, and you do have to sell it if you want to make money or keep it for the long term. It is up to you. But as you see, I will leave you the contract details down below. If you want to go and do it, you need to go and import the token over to MetaMask with the contract details that you find below. I did receive 5,300 mode token. And to go and sell it, it is very, very simple. We need to go, all you gotta do to go and sell it is to go to the Kim exchange over here, which I will leave it linked down below directly to the possibility of doing it. We go over to our mode network over here and we change it. Now, I've already changed it for approximately 0.1 ETH, but once you go over here, simply select the mode token and then select the outcome that you want, whether you want the Kim token, the Ethereum token, or any other stablecoin version. This is how you sell it. Insert the amount, proceed to swap. It costs nothing, close to 1 cent because of the mode ecosystem, and you're good to go and sell it, which in my opinion, it is very important. Now it is up to you whether you think the price is gonna go up, whether you think the price is gonna go lower. It is completely up to you to go and decide what you wanna go and do. The price is approximately what I did sell it for. It is the same price, so we are standing within the 5.86 cent area, 5.46 cent area as far as I remember. And definitely consider what you want to do. And let me know your total allocation for the mode airdrop, how much you received, how much you wanted, or you think it was good, do you think it was bad, do you think it was unfair? Let me know your opinion down in the comments below. Next up, there are some new cubes collection over here, as well as some scroll collection over on the layer 3, which I will leave it linked down below. We have the cube collection to go and start earning some cubes in the easiest way possible. I've done Arbitrum, Polygon, and Linea, or the intro, but we got, for example, super easy one to go, the Qubit ZK Sync, which a lot of this action you've already done it, so this is 0 effort to go and receive the cubes for the layer 3 airdrop, which we're working towards it. as well as possibilities of integrating with every single protocol there is out there, giving you the possibility to do as many transactions as possible and as many tasks as possible to go and be part of every single airdrop. And for example, this one, introducing to Cube, you go on, okay, swap on ZK Sync. We have already done it. We have already swapped on the ZK Sync to go and earn ourselves already. And as you see here, I didn't do it now. I've already done it before. So this is all retrospective things that I've done, which now are all transformed into Cube and possibility of an airdrop for this protocol. I do need the Ethereum over on the ZK Sync, but you understand what I'm saying. The other important one is the scroll sprint over here, which just started as well, which is another one super important to go and do. There are a few of these quests right here, which I will leave linked down below, but make sure to simply come into the layer 3 possibility, explore everything, do all the things you have to do everything that you can do on Arbitrum, on Polygon, on ZK Sync, on Base. This one is a very useful mechanism to go and do as many transactions as possible in the ecosystem that you want to go and farm. Next up, we got an update for the jumper situation. Now, if you did farm jumper, which we did look at it together, I do have it over here on my papers, which I did cover. We did already talk about. We have dBridge, jumper, ZK Sync, Jupiter, Bungie, Welto, Zora, Scroll, and Layer Swap, which we are doing on a daily swaps, transaction fees, yes, but we're doing daily swaps to go and increment our possibility for the airdrop. Well, over here we see that the community rewards are loading, which means that potentially, if you have, this could either be a mode airdrop kind of like situation for the users. It could be some rewards, you know, that it could be a possible, as we see here, the mode is teased very much so. Is this real? Yes. Announcing the LeFi 12 months point journey. Potentially could be another point journey. Potentially could be something that has to do with the mode airdrop or something important. But the jumper is definitely something, it's definitely an exchange to go and use, which is this one over here. If you have never used it, I will leave a link down below. But it is a bridging situation. So you can bridge, let's say, from Arbitrum, where I do have my funds, you can bridge all the way to Optimism, for so to say, again on the Ethereum token, and simply bridge how much you want. And the transaction fees are quite cheap in terms that Jumper doesn't take fees for the platform. It only takes fees on the Arbitrum, the Optimism. Those networks do take the fees. So simply go and pick which one you want to receive. You jump the bridge, you do all the bridging that you want, which is very simple. Sign the transactions and you are good to go. And this one is one of those airdrop possibility that, in my opinion, Jumper is very much not under farm, but not many people are choosing to bridge over on Jumper. They rather do it through other protocol. The other one is dBridge, which of course is coming very soon, and I do warn you to go and do your daily transaction if you are in it. If not, we're gonna go and talk about it in tomorrow's video. But dBridge, make sure to do your transaction. If you watch my channel, there's 114 people within my community that are over on dBridge making transactions, so keep on doing it because the airdrop is coming very soon. Next up, we got a little tease of an update or a little tease of something from Wormhole over here. And what are we looking at? Well, potentially the stacking of the Wormhole token could potentially be upon us. And stacking is something that the community has really looked into it and really would like to have it done for the price of Wormhole to finally bounce back to what it could actually be. Don't click any of these links. If you ever go on Twitter, don't click any of these fake links, Wormhole here and there. Do not do it. This is either another airdrop or could be the possibility of stacking. Could there be anything? But they are teasing it, and it does look like something really interesting for the Wormhole ecosystem and for the Wormhole community. And over on Solana, Wormhole could really be something big and could really do a difference, in my opinion. But they do need to go and get it right. They do need to get it right because the community really wants it. It was super hyped up to be one of the best. It turned out to be one of the worst price action in history. But the project itself is actually really good. Next up, we got the Polyhedra network update. The ZK stacking is also coming very soon. So we got two protocols which could potentially are preparing for the stacking situation. And it's definitely good to go and do it. keep an update on it. If you do still have the ZK, or if you were eligible for the Polyhedra airdrop and you still hold the tokens, congratulations. It could be something interesting to have in the future, the stacking situation. But always keep an eye out, go and follow them over on their Twitter, as they do always keep up to date with the latest news. Next up, we got the Starknet introduction seed grant program, and this is a new incentive designed to provide teams with grants up to $25,000 in USDC in non-diluted funding to enhance the growth of the Starknet ecosystem. It does look like they are preparing, it could either be another big flop, or it could be something big in terms of bringing the community to participate within the ecosystem, therefore creating bigger project moving from one ecosystem to the Starknet ecosystem. Yet, I don't think the community is still behind Starknet at all. Let me know, are you still with Starknet? Do you still participate in Starknet? Do you still have this Starknet situation that, it was what it was? Or is Starknet over and done with? I think it is over and done with. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you all tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. And with the first video, second video, 2 videos a day. I've been on a roll and I'm not stopping until we hit 20,000. No, what am I saying? 150,000 subscribers. So let's keep grinding, let's keep going, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.